So the first things first, as always, we're going to read that question first so we can interpret the goal. That's what we want. So the question reads, what is the total distance traveled? Okay, everybody. What's different between this question, specifically what I'm highlighting, what is the total distance traveled versus finding the distance relative to where you started? Yeah, this one's much different, right? We're looking for the total distance. So we are going to be amassing or accumulating or aggregating or adding all of the distances that we're dealing with. So that's the main difference, everybody. We're asking for the total distance traveled here. Let's read. It says, a cyclist rides at 15 miles an hour for 2 hours. Okay, sounds good. Let me just go ahead and say, hey, we do this, 15 miles an hour, 2 hours, and then at 10 miles an hour for 3 hours. Okay, I'm going to point it this way, and I'll say 10 miles an hour for 3 hours. It doesn't matter what direction I point this in. It could have been pointed this way, it could have been pointed this way, could have been pointed up, to the right. It doesn't matter, because when we're trying to find the total distance, all we care about really is from here to here, added with here to here. That's what total distance is. So let's put in the work and let's find each distance individually, add them together, and we are done. Everyone, what is 15 miles an hour multiplied by 2 hours? Because again, distance equals rate times time together. Correct, that's going to be 30 miles. That's going to be right there, our first distance. Now let's talk about our second distance. Everyone, help me out. 10 miles an hour multiplied by 3 hours over here is going to give us 30 miles. Exactly. So it looks like the cyclist went 30 miles and then 30 miles again. And because we're looking for the total distance, we are going to add these two distances together. 30 miles plus 30 miles gives us 60 total miles. Remember, everyone, the numbers here can change. It doesn't always have to be 15 and 2. It could be 15.2 times 4. It could be 27 times 18. So remember that the numbers don't matter as much as the situations do. That's the purpose that we're serving here in today's class. I want you to get used to the words around the numbers, and that's why you might see that we're using somewhat convenient numbers in today's practice.